안녕하세요, 림페이시, Singapore. 남자입니다. 네, 안녕하세요, 여러분들. Welcome to October in Istanbul. In my opinion, the best month. Whoa, so shaky to visit Istanbul. Why? Because this is early autumn. The weather is great, and foliage is just starting and it's kind of turning beautiful. So a look here in the park, you can see, wow, a lot of trees are already starting to turn yellow. So you can actually feel autumn in the air here in Istanbul. This is like mid-October. It's still just the start of autumn, so as you can see, some leaves have turned yellow, but it's not like extremely so. It's really awesome time to be here. And here I am at Taksim Square. And you know, the best thing about October really is the weather. Okay, we're getting daytime temperature of 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Yes, that means you can pretty much wear anything, like you can overdress like I do, or even go around short sleeve if you want. And then nighttime temperature is still about above 10 degrees Celsius. Nighttime temperature is about 12 degrees Celsius-ish, so you can still stay out at night. From the foliage to the attractions, everything is open, and yet not too cold to be out and not too hot to be out either. And the good thing about October is that even though it rains, like you see today, oh, I've got my umbrella here. Even though it rains, it still doesn't rain as much as it does in November and December. Like in December, it rains almost like every other day. But in October, you still get this nice cool weather, and it rains about once a week. So it's actually really good season to be out and about. Let's scare the pigeons. And the best thing right now is that there's no COVID restrictions here in Istanbul whatsoever. You can be vaccinated, unvaccinated, whatever. You know, it doesn't matter. Everything's open. There's no discrimination against unvaxxed people or what at all. The restaurants are open. It's open shop here in Istanbul. Another great thing about October is that there's no major holidays, so shops and restaurants won't be closed either. Okay, so down the street here in Taksim Square, shopping street, you can see this is generally how people would dress up for October in Istanbul. I gotta say something about the shoes though. Because it rains, you want to come in shoes that are waterproof. Otherwise you're gonna have a hard time. Like my shoe. This shoe, oh man, it's giving me a hard time. It's all wet right now, my feet are wet. And this is the most posh shopping street of Istanbul, and therefore the most posh shopping street of the whole of Turkey, Nişantaşı. You see how people are dressed up here for this season. This is probably a must-come place if you come to Istanbul. Very European feel. Posh cars. Also a great time to be eating al fresco outside or open air like this. Nice cool weather, especially in the morning. Nice warm coffee. Nothing like a nice steamy cup of coffee. Oh, look at in the cold autumn morning. So nice. Oh, and there you have this Istanbul stray dog again. They're everywhere. October is also the best time for street animals as the temperature is just nice. It's the famous fat dogs, fat street dogs of Istanbul. He's looking at me like with the hell you want look. And the very famous stray cats of Istanbul become very fluffy looking from this month onwards as their natural winter coat starts kicking in. Can even find some shops selling Halloween stuff here, even though Halloween is not like a widely celebrated thing here. So there you have, guys. This is why October is my favorite month in Istanbul and why this is the best month to visit Istanbul. And of course, all the food and all the all the things are actually pretty much the same, just better weather, right? So have you been here in Istanbul during October? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Annyeong.